The introduction of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers. The blockchain for the most part is setting down deep roots in an unobtrusive manner. With this certainty of calculation mastery, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make a one-of-a-kind digital money that could hold an incentive at a brilliant future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable neighborhood monetary forms in an extremely significant manner. Before we start with definite NEXO cost expectation, we should really look at coin outline. What certainly makes NEXO extraordinary, which is very huge. NEXO is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-supported credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an appealing choice for clients, which basically is very huge. With the NEXO stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure-a-moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Check Total NEXO survey here in an unobtrusive manner. After keeping, a credit line opens up and no credit check is fundamental. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the NEXO card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. But for the most part, whole system of NEXO depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges. 2. Working with a smooth mix with really different applications. It appears NEXO will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise venture choice, which is very critical. A striking element of NEXO basically has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary standards, which is very critical. These cards can for the most part be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients sort of determine is they can pay in their nearby monetary standards, which really is very critical. NEXO, specialized investigation. Like other digital currencies, NEXO also in a real sense is to a great extent subject to value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak despite the fact that it especially depends on blockchain calculation. Specialists essentially change as they would like to think about the in every practical sense. Guarantees NEXO holds in the years to come. In view of verifiable information, soon after NEXO showed up on trade in 2018. Its most memorable large flood came in among April and May. The cost of NEXO rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, an extensive leap that mirrored a gigantic measure of early financial backer interest, which is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, it stamped nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of NEXO had most certainly moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows when any remaining monetary standards showed a troubling presentation. The NEXO cost has shown soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing a really extraordinary flood in force with no NEXO cost drop. Understanding starting from the start of this current year. The cost of NEXO has been consistently rising, and as of late, it in every way that really matters has denoted an unsurpassed high of $4.05. In any case, in the wake of hitting $4.05, NEXO cost dipped under $1.50, and right now, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-by-week value change of 27% in an unobtrusive manner. NEXO value forecast by specialists being recorded on most of trades gives NEXO a supportability advantage that impacts NEXO gauge contrasted with conventional monetary forms. The fundamentally current cost of NEXO most certainly weights around $2.29 with a 24H value change of 0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There sort of is presently a circling supply of 560,011 NEXO tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of NEXO, a drawn-out increment is expected. The NEXO cost visualization for 2027 is $9.30. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%. According to the Figure Information Investigation, the cost of NEXO explicitly is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30, which sort of is very critical. Before the year's over, NEXO basically is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of NEXO in 2022. Taking into account our NEXO conjecture, specialized examination, and market refreshes, by and large many tasks reaching fulfillment by year's end, overall around greatest cost expectation of $5 cannot be precluded for NEXO, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market contrasted with government-issued types of money, which basically is very critical. NEXO estimate totally relies upon the value development and feeling, which is genuinely huge. The cost of NEXO could reach $4.77 toward the finish of 2022, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Being founded on specialized investigation, the cost of NEXO sort of holds positive opinion for the impending months, which most certainly is very critical. The NEXO value change may basically reach $5.61 toward the finish of 2022. NEXO value expectation 2022, in spite of prevalent thinking, keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the NEXO cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, for example 2022, or so they thought. The cost of NEXO also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2-3 mark in light of cost expectations. NEXO value forecast 2023, going by the investigation of more limited and longer NEXO cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not most certainly be so perfect for NEXO for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing in a real sense find the stowaway. There is a determined possibility of the NEXO crash to $3.61 once more. NEXO value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't for the most part exist in view of expectation at the cost of NEXO, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that NEXO will run the crypto realm, wiping out BTC strength with an exhibition of cost fixed at $3.94. NEXO can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, principally due to its solid basics in a significant manner. NEXO value expectation 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The current year's expectations could stamp as the benchmark year, as the cost of NEXO certainly is gauged to outperform $4.62 definitely, primarily on the grounds that this year no pivotal variables like pandemic or downturn are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economy, and it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be on street to fix work in every single world economy, which is very critical. NEXO value forecast 2026, as indicated by our NEXO cost figure in light of specialized examination and past information. This cryptographic money could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. NEXO value forecast past 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the truly momentary cost developments in a significant manner. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in every practical sense, long-haul conjectures. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of NEXO would fundamentally fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when NEXO would not anymore a gullible contestant in the realm of digital currencies. However, a carefully prepared player is putting resources into NEXO a truly smart thought. Indeed, as per our NEXO cost conjecture, putting resources into it will be a truly smart thought at the ongoing cost level. Be that as it may, a reasonable level of effort is dependably prudent. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any over blissful clarifications required on the off chance